all right. This video is on how to share your Microsoft Teams chat with me on Google Classroom. So you've been working Tuesday and Thursday with partners on how to on speaking. Now it's time to upload it into Google Classroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your Teams chat that you are working on with your partners. Go into their chat, and you should see something that says meeting ended, and it shows your meeting. Okay. Now you're going to click the more options and start by clicking share. Okay. What it should ask is for you to approve. You see again, it should show you this. Want to make this recording available to everyone in your organization. Definitely click share. Okay. What that's going to do is allow me to view your video, and all you're going to do is click copy and then go back up into your classroom. And you'll notice today, I'll just click on period 5. You'll notice today, one of your last assignments that's due today is Microsoft Teams recording, and it says post your 2 recordings here. So you are going to go in and copy and paste. Okay. So that's what you'll do for both of your days. So I should see 2 of these. Now, if you click on this, okay, and let me show you. And it doesn't give you this screen. It just gives you a link. You want to be very careful and make sure it's shared with everyone. So if it doesn't ask you, you might have to do it yourself, which means click on more options. And instead of clicking share, go to open in Microsoft Stream. And this is going to pull up like kind of the details, the specs a little bit of your video. So we'll wait for it to load. And it's going to look something like this. Okay? And this gives you more of your video, but you need to make sure that this says company. If it says limited, you'll need to click on your 3 dots and click on update video details. And then click on allow everyone in your company to view it. By clicking on that and clicking apply, you're going to guarantee that everyone can see this video. And then you're ready to simply share, copy the link. Okay? But we want to make sure we take those steps. When you do that for both of your recordings, you're going to go in, each student is going to go in and drop in those 2 links. All right?